That'd be a cool bike to take on this. Something that doesn't handle that well.
Right.
Anything else would be overshooting it, right?
Look
Take
at
take the last swing. What were you gonna say?
The drop down.
Oh, that was cool. He was like pretty much sideways.
The Harley guy pulled over. Easy. I pulled out when I did, so the guy in the black car could ride with us behind us.
That's a fun spot to just watch along.
Yeah, just look in your mirror, you can see that whole turn.
Oh, that's cool. You even have time to home. This is like a Sunday drive for you.
That Harley's going pretty good. I think I'd be a little further off the road. Your neck getting tired?
No. My elbow is, but it's good. Look at this guy cracking me up. That was a good one. I like that run. There was a couple really ones that I was like,
Pulled off there, I didn't see it. Whoa.
everybody knows it's special. You talk about trust somebody, you gotta trust somebody. That's what I like about the car people. They just want to have a good time.
The one guy that was like on the right
Yeah.
side gave us the thumbs up.
Yeah.
When I came out of that corner, I gave it a whole bunch of gas, so the car was probably a little sideways coming out of the corner. I don't trust those Harleys. I feel like they're gonna come across the line. Let's get there. Do you hold on tighter when you see 15? Maybe stand up for a while.
No. Do you see my edge here? There's no standing up
No.
here. That's it, Cliff.
I haven't seen any mile marker signs for a while.
One.
Oh, really? So Deal's Gap is right up here somewhere.
We're on one. Yeah. Then we'll get the Nova in it too. Go. Yeah. Get yourself right in the middle of that. Cool. Stop. So you can get.
Take a couple pictures and I'll move. I'm gonna ask you, man, what you getting in the front? Are you in the Miata? I'm in the Challenger. Oh, cool. Yeah. I was trying to stay with you for a little while there. It's just the original 350 4-speed.
Nice. I was behind you coming up, and I was like, I can smell something all in front of me coming up. That's about time I put the corner and signed it back in front of me. But dude, that thing, it looks and sounds nice.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I was happy to just run with you. That was fun.
Oh yeah.
It was a good time.
Yeah, this is my first time ever coming up here.
Same here. Same here.
I was kind of glad I get up here, and I was expecting my place to be here.
Yeah. I heard it's not too busy today, and that's crazy, right? Yeah. I was doing about half of what I could do, I feel like, and then that guy in that white Miata came up behind me, and I
Can I take a picture? Thank you. This way.
You want anything background?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. All right.
Thank you.
I got you two up this way.
Hey.
No problem.
the whole Miata, I was doing about 9
Oh,
chase
yeah.
when he came up behind me.
Also, I just pulled over. I was waiting for a gap, and I saw y'all two come by the Miata behind you. I was like, oh, he's going faster. I'm going to try to keep up.
What did it look like when we were doing there? 'Cause I was sliding all over.
You can start seeing a little bit more body roll from your car, but when I was following you the first time, it was as flat as could be, and then the Miata behind me just a little bit. Meanwhile, the SS can't handle the curve over there. I could feel that whole thing just.
Yeah, it's the ship, right?
Yeah.
The wall over
Oh
there.
yeah. I've got a Volkswagen Jetta as my personal car, just do a little run around downtown. So I went to Hertz last night and rented a car, and so I rented a Mustang convertible or something. So I pulled up, and they were like, "I'm sorry, we don't have any convertibles. We have a Jeep Wrangler we can give you." And I was like, "What do y'all have?" So she told me to go walk the lot, find what I want, bring it back.
Yeah. Good choice.
Lucked up at the gate.
Good choice. I'm going to scoot my car over there so somebody else can get a picture here.
So I'm inside. I'm sure I'll see y'all back out there.
Yeah, that was fun.